Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that manages the business. This authorizes edits. Once signed in, open Google Maps and search your business name, then click the listing to open Profile Controls. If you haven't claimed it, choose Own This Business and follow verification prompts. This step links your uploads to the official profile, so Google treats them as authoritative. Make sure you use the account tied to the business profile, otherwise uploads won't be accepted or editable. Now you upload the new image. Click Add Photos on the business listing, then select by owner to ensure it's tagged correctly. Choose a crisp JPG or PNG, ideally landscape, and at least 720 x 720 pixels so Google can generate thumbnails without artifacts. Crop and rotate within the uploader. Name the file with useful terms since descriptive file names can help indexing. If your camera adds GPS metadata, leave it intact. Google uses location tags when deciding prominence. Finish by selecting the uploaded image in your business profile and marking it as the cover or primary photo. This signals Google which image to prioritize. Once done, expect up to 24 to 72 hours for processing and global cache updates, so don't panic if it's not immediate. If the photo is rejected or doesn't appear, clear the Maps cache, try a different device or browser, and review Google's photo policy. Making small edits or reuploading usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.